Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by using Samsung's Good Lock ecosystem because it's the only supported route to rename apps and change icons on many Samsung phones. First, install Good Lock from the Galaxy Store, then add Home Up and Theme Park modules. Once done, grant each module the permissions it asks for access to modify the home screen and icons, because without those permissions you cannot proceed. Now open Good Lock, tap Home Up, and prepare to create a custom icon through Theme Park. This is where you change visuals and labels. Now you'll make the custom icon and name. Open Theme Park, choose Create New Theme and pick icons. Import an image or use built-in shapes. Tweak size, background, and color so the icon reads clearly at home screen scale. Crucially, use the export options inside Theme Park to change the app label. Type the new name you want. Export the icon pack. Once the pack is saved, you've created a replacement icon with a new name that Home Up can apply to the launcher shortcut. Finish by applying the new icon and label in Home Up. Long press the target app on your home screen, tap Edit, then choose the custom icon from the Theme Park export and confirm the new name. Once applied, make sure icons refresh. If they don't, restart the launcher or reboot the phone and clear Home Up's cache. If something still fails, reinstall Theme Park or Good Lock and re-grant permissions. This usually resolves permission-related issues, so the new icon and name stick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.